Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone APOPHYLLITE, the stone of acceptance. For those who've watched my meditations before, welcome back and thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is available now. If you're interested in reading that, I will put a link in the eye above and in the description box below. I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, hearing about the supportive benefits, and deciding if that's a gemstone that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, The Top 4 Crystal Wisdom Benefits of APOPHYLLITE, I'll link that in the eye above as well and in the description box below. So if you'd like to hear more detail about how APOPHYLLITE can support you in your everyday life situations, that is a fantastic video. If you do have a piece of APOPHYLLITE, this is a great time to go get that and put that by your meditation space. But you do not need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the questions and situations I bring up, they feel familiar to you, they call to you, or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign you should get some APOPHYLLITE and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this meditation is a comfortable seat. That could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. As long as you can remain alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes as we sit in meditation with this beautiful crystal. So if you have your APOPHYLLITE or you're ready to picture a brilliant, clear crystal in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your focus to what it feels like to breathe right now. Moving your awareness to the rest of your physical body and notice if there are any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. Moving up to your heart center and acknowledging if there are any emotions sitting with you right now. And then drifting up to your mind and noticing the state of your mind right now. Is it calm or busy? We're not trying to change or fix anything, just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And bringing your awareness to those parts on your body that touch the cushion, chair, or floor beneath you. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. You are perfectly supported by the entire mass of this planet, and you have access to all of its energy. So it will guide and protect you during this meditation today. If you do have a piece of apophyllite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of this crystal today. And take a minute to feel the gemstone in your hand, to run your fingers over the surface, to notice its weight, and to take a minute to get to know your piece of apophyllite. If you don't have a piece of this stone, then picture a clear crystal in your mind. Notice if anything has changed in your heart, your body, your mind since you've picked up the stone. Then imagine a bright white energy shining brightly from your heart center, shining outward. It's shimmery and sparkly and radiates well beyond your physical body. And sit with this image of apophyllite energy for a minute. Apophyllite is the stone of acceptance. And as you hold or imagine this crystal in your mind, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you a Reiki or an energy healer? Someone who works with the energetic body and system? Is there a truth you've been avoiding and need to address? Are there habits or qualities about yourself that you would like to develop or improve? Maybe some you would like to release. Do you find it difficult to love and honor yourself just as you are? Would you like to connect deeper with your soul's evolution and experience of this life? of these situations are supported by apophyllite. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to your heart, your body, your mind, and sit with this for a minute or two while you hold or picture the stone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation since you've been sitting with the gemstone. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind since you started this guided meditation. And then release the image of the apophyllite energy. And release the situation that you were sitting with. And just come back to your normal breathing. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to meditate with apophyllite, the stone of acceptance. I hope that you found this useful, and if you do feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for several weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of the gemstone when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works, to initiate transformation and change in your life, to know which situations you would like to support with, which gemstones will help you, and to use them when you need them. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you've enjoyed the natural sound of this rainstorm that has joined us today. If you are new to this channel and you'd like to learn about how a wide variety of gemstones can help you make positive life change, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.